Hello, good morning students. On that day I have completed about the metals, non-metals. Today I will take about the mixtures. Okay, so the types of mixtures, there are two types of mixture. One is homogeneous and second is heterogeneous. So let's see about the homogeneous mixtures. For an example, I have taken a glass and I have taken a sugar and I am adding both the things. Means the solution is become transparent. As the solution is become transparent means it is a homogeneous solution. Heterogeneous solution we have taken as a chalk and water. We are dissolving in it. Chalk remain downside and water remain upside. It means it cannot be dissolved fully. That is, it is in a heterogeneous. Second thing we are using as a copper solute sulfate also. Water and copper sulfate we are adding and then it become a soluble solution. Means no filtration takes place. It is also we can say as a homogeneous mixture. Okay. You understood about the homogeneous and heterogeneous? This is the, you can see, and if you want to write these things you can write also. The main things I have said to you about homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now there is a one activity about the homogeneous and heterogeneous. This I have taken, this is a mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder. In a one china dish I have taken a sulfur and iron powder I have taken. Okay, then I am using here a magnet. Now I have to find out magnet on one side, that mixture sulfur is on one side and iron is on one side. Now how I will do this? I have taken a one magnet. On that magnet I am bringing near to this powder. What will happen? The iron is coming on, attract on this magnet. When iron is attract on this magnet, the thing is left that is sulfur. Okay, in this way we have to find out the study of property of mixture of iron and sulfur. Fine. So this thing, a mixture can be separated into a constant by physical process. Physical process are the filtration, evaporation, sublimation, distillation, solvents, magnet, etc. By these things we have to filter it. We have to remove it by the physical process. Okay. A mixture shows the property of all the constants present in it. Mixture shows the constant property, means how many things are added in it, mixture can show. Okay, this is the activity. After this, it needed form of heat and light in such neither given nor absorbed in the preparation of mixture. It can neither be created nor be destroyed. Fine. It doesn't having a melting point and boiling point. The composition of mixture is variable. The constituent can be present in any proportion by mass. It can be taken as any proportion, any mass it can be taken. This is the property and this is the one example of mixture. Now second things I am taking as a compound. In a compound, only the one topic I am going to tell you what is the meaning of the compound is a substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed proportion by mass. In this compounds fixed proportion can take place. But this thing I will do tomorrow, not today. Till today I am using the topics of the mixture here and I am showing you again. This metalloids I have given completed. Mixtures constitute of two or more substances chemically combined together. Mixtures is of two types. Please beta, you can see it properly. Homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homogeneous fully soluble, heterogeneous not soluble fully. And this is the one activity which I am using as a sulfur and iron and I am separating it with a magnet. Okay, so these are today's topic and tomorrow I will start with the next topic. Thank you and have a nice day.